Piggy and the Strong Wind.
And with this, it's done.
Huh?
Yay! Ouch! Something's going on in Storyland. Oh, how cool!
Once upon a time, there was a builder baby who wanted to stop the strong wind, but all by himself, he was bound to fail.
Ouch!
Hi, I'm Dreamy. What's going on?
It's coming! The strong wind! The shelter!
Hey, calm down.
I'm Piggy. The strong wind is about to arrive. Every year, my two brothers and I build a shelter in order to protect the statue. But they have a cold. And I have to do it by myself.
And what happens if you don't finish it?
That the wind will take away the most valuable thing of our world. It'd be a disaster. And I'm trying, but it's just that by myself. Poor Piggy, and you hurt your arm from carrying so much.
You're not alone. Professionals, we've grown. We'll stop the wind. Sure thing.
Oh, you also have a cold. Together, we'll build it in a flash.
We'll build the shelter. Let's go.
We'll need cement, gravel, sand, and bricks.
Yeah, bricks.
Yeah! Little by little, like my brothers say. Brick by brick, we build a castle so quick. Let's go, babies. A little more that way, more here.
Oh no, watch out, Dottie.
Time stands still. Oof. Let it continue.
Huh? Where's my brick?
This team is very slow. At this pace, the wind will blow.
If only they weren't so heavy. And if the cement wasn't so sticky. And if there weren't shovels.
I got it. What if we build it out of straw?
But
Yeah.
See? We'll do it faster this way.
But faster doesn't mean... It'll hold up. You were right. The straw wasn't that... Ice! It's easier to carry. And cooler. We'll build an igloo for the statue. We need more ice.
Yes, a lot of ice.
Yeah! But... And the rest of the block?
They melted with the sun.
I know it's not easy, but we need to do it right. Otherwise, the strong wind will blow the statue away, and the effort will be useless.
Piggy, we'll listen to everything you say.
Yes, let's go! We'll get it this time!
This is the song of the strong wind, and we came together to work and sing because our world is a special place, and we have to protect this beautiful space. With hard work and determination, this will be our best creation, and we will fix this situation. When you give a helping hand and work together as a team, there is nothing that you can't achieve.
Teamwork is better.
When you give a helping hand and work together as a team, there is nothing that you can't achieve.
There it is! The strong wind! The shelter still stands. Yeah, but one more thing. Now, how are we getting out of here? We forgot the door. Yeah, rushing is no good.
We have to come up with something to get out.
Well, I don't have the shovel now. See? If the blocks were out of ice.
That's it! Ice cream!
A delicious shelter. You were right. What's important is that we made a big effort, and at the end, it all turned out well.
So many bricks of ice cream. Oh, what a scheme. It seems like a dream.
Storyland Magic Tears!
And that's how Piggy, with effort and determination, so brave took on strong wind, from which the world he did save. For this tale will live on, and the wind will behave.